It is common that we receive data in a way that will not help us to analyze it. For instance, you may receive a text file and your aim is to analyze that data. Or you may even receive an Excel file where all the data are sitting in one column, like an example we are seeing at the moment. It is a sales transaction details which has date, reference, ID, amount, and nature. Our aim today is to help you to clean this data, which will split different data sets into multiple columns to enable you to analyze it accordingly in a very fast way. If someone who does not understand Excel want to attempt that, you may have to write each of these items in each column one after the other. Of course, that will take you ages, but Excel has a function that can show you how to split data into multiple columns. To do that, we have to first observe a pattern in our data. There is features in Excel called delimiters. Delimiters are things like comma, space, dot, anything that separates your data point one from the other. In this example we are looking at on the screen, date is separated from reference through what? A space. If you observe, there's a space pattern here. Between ID and amount, there's a space pattern here. Between nature and amount, there's a space pattern here. Therefore, we can say the pattern in this data is space. So we can split this data through text or column using space delimiter. To do that, we have to first select this column, go to Data tab in your Excel, choose text or column. The text or column comes with a dialog box. It's asking you, does your data separation point has a fixed width, for example, from every 2 centimeters or so, or does your data, or is it separated by a delimiter? In our example, is a delimiter. So we'll click on delimiter, choose next and see what Excel is going to do for us. We use delimiter. Excel is intelligent in some instances to know that this is separated by space. But if space is not ticked for you, you can tick it by yourself. And it's going to show you a preview of how date, reference, ID, amount, nature will look like. The nature is going to be split into 2 because there is extra space between nature words within it. We won't mind that for now, since our focus is to ensure we got our date, customer ID, reference, and amount into various columns. Let's do next. In this instance, if you want, you can format various columns that will come out of this data. In our instance here, what do we have? We have first column is date, second column is a text reference field. We want to leave it like that. So for instance, this first column, I can say is a month, date, and year, but it is actually date, month, year. Then this other column is an amount, so I can leave it like that, general. You don't necessarily have to do it, you can do that later. But all you have to understand, you have option to be able to format some of this data whilst you are on the screen. After you've done whatever you want to do at this stage, you simply click on finish and watch out. So already Excel has split this thing for you into multiple columns and in the right format. This is date, reference, ID, amount, nature, which has been divided in folder between regions as well as nature of the sales. So you can see it is very easy to split data into columns if you use Excel functions. Again, like we always say, it is not that it is not possible in Excel. It is about, do you know how to do it in Excel? Thank you very much and see you next time.